Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to iron Readymade Nauvari Saree. Lay the saree flat and smooth pleats gently with your hands, then cover each section with a thin cotton cloth. Move the iron in slow, even strokes, avoiding steam directly on delicate embellishments. Keep the pallu and waist area separate, and check the drape often so the fabric maintains its traditional shape and shine. Begin with the pleats secured and aligned, then glide the iron gently along each fold while holding the edge to keep tension. Use short presses and lift the iron between passes to prevent overheating any spot. If the saree has borders, keep the iron slightly angled to preserve edge detail. Repeat until all pleats are crisp, checking frequently so the traditional 9-yard drape stays accurate and elegant. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with their lifetime warranty for comfort and durability that keeps you on your feet during long draping sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick up a pair if you want reliable gear for practice. Now let's get back to the video. Handle the pallu and borders with extra care by ironing through a cotton cloth to protect embellishments and metallic threads. Work from the wrong side when possible, using low heat and brief presses to prevent shine or damage. If a section has heavy embroidery, skip ironing that area and instead reshape by hand. Let the saree cool fully on a flat surface before attempting to drape it again to lock in the crease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.